Hello, this is Katie and I'm showing you another one of my Relax and Craft subscription boxes, and I'm showing you a little bit different this time. So I've actually already made one of the pieces of jewellery that you get the full tutorial for. When you get a box, you get numerous tutorials and lots of help, advice, huge community. And I'm going to show you that I've just made one piece of jewellery, the big main piece, which actually consists of 108 gemstones, and I've still got so much left and so much other bits and pieces left too. So this month, which is March, not this month because this month's just gone over to April, sorry, this is last month's box, March. April's is on the way. Do stick around till the end of the video because you'll want to know what is the big thing about next month's box. We'll just leave it at that for now, but it's really exciting, so do stick around, especially if you like my designs. So this box for March was a mindfulness box. That was its theme basically, and I want to show you what I got in it. So I got this beautiful, it's kind of like an affirmation and that sort of thing, and then on this side you've got lots of lovely hints and tips about mindfulness and meditation. So that's your relax part of it, and plus you can relax making jewellery too. So you've got lots of things on there just to sort of really thinking about you. And then in fact, I'm just going to go for it and show you the piece of jewellery that I've made. So this is a mala necklace. It's a chakra mala necklace. It contains 108 gemstones. That's the correct amount for a mala necklace. So you might want to meditate with it. I've caged it. This is something I've never done before, so it's not perfect, but even, you know, I have to learn things. So this little section here is something I've never done before. I've made my own tassel, and every instruction possible. It goes through every possible scenario when you're making this. It's so relaxing to make. I've really enjoyed making this weekend. I would have made it sooner, but I've been super busy and it's been the Easter holidays. So I got obviously all of those gemstones. I'll go through them in a second. I got the beautiful clear quartz tumble stone. I also got another tumble stone which looks like a Botswana agate, so I could have used that one, and I can use it in another one too. I got a larger bead, which you could use that as your guru bead. This is usually the guru bead, which is like the main bead. I'm not an expert on malas, but Fleur, who makes these boxes up, she is very, very knowledgeable on malas. So do check her out on Relax and Craft. The link is below. You get another little guru bead there. You get lots of findings, loads of findings, loads of chain, head pins. There are jump rings, clasps and ear wires in there, so you've got everything you need. You get so much cord, so much cord. I don't know how much. 0.5 900. Does that mean there's 900 meters on that? I don't know. There is a lot on there. It's very thick. You can feel it's very thick sort of depth wise. It's very nice and fine, and Fleur in her tutorials tells you exactly how to knot your mala chain, your mala necklace, because there's a little knot in between each bead. And then you got all your chakra gemstones. So they're actually written down for you there. They were all in this bag. This is what I've got left after I've made the big main piece of jewellery. So you've got your, starting from the bottom, you've got your root chakra, which is red jasper, your sacral chakra, which is peach moonstone, the solar plexus is the tiger's eye, heart is your rose quartz, your throat is angelite, your third eye is sodalite, and your crown is amethyst on this in this little kit that we've got here, or big kit really. I've still got a whole other strand of amazing black agate as well, which is the neckline gemstone. Oops, I just knocked those ones off. And I also got my cup of tea, which I've not had yet because I've had a coffee, but I have to admit there's no biscuits in there. I've eaten my chocolate biscuits. So yes, so I just thought I'd do it. Oh, sorry, we've got some wire as well. We've got some wire in there as well if you want to use wire to maybe encapsulate your tumble. It's entirely up to you. So I just thought I'd come on and show you a slightly different way. I've just seen something else that you get, because you've obviously got a lot of beads to thread. You actually get a needle which has got the eye there. I don't know if you can see that there. Makes it nice and easy for threading all your beads on. So yeah, you get tons and tons of stuff. So obviously this was March's box, and you can't get this one now, but I wanted to show you what you could actually make for a change rather than just showing you the box. And that is the main a tutorial that's in the box. There are also other tutorials as well, so don't think it's just that. There's all sorts of other things. And then I wanted to talk to you about next month's box, which is actually this month, April. I know I've left it very late. There's only a few days left. Please, if you want to get in on this, if you want your own subscription box, I promise you, you are not tied in. You can just get one box, see what it's like, and not get one again if you want to. But the best thing is, when you sign up, even though you will get April's box, still more information to come about that in a second, you also get the instructions for every other box. So all the tutorials, you can look back and dip into all the tutorials that have been before. So all that information is accessible whilst you are a subscriber. How amazing is that? It's such good value. So April's box, I am actually the inspiration designer for April's box, so I do know already what is inside the box, and just trust me, if you like my style of wire work, it's very much a me. It's very much a Katie Parker box. I worked with Fleur, who runs Relax and Craft. I worked with her choosing our gemstones, choosing what other components go in the box. There is also a very cool tool in the box, and it's not a little tool. So there you go. So that's a really big hint. Now today is, hopefully I'll get this video on today, is Sunday the 7th of March. Not March, April. I'm getting my months very confused today. So today is Sunday the 7th of April. You have 3 days left to sign up for next month's box. All the information you need is right underneath this video right now. So obviously if it goes after the 10th, then you would be signing up for another box, which will be equally as incredible. I cannot believe the value that you get from these boxes. Not only do you get all the contents, all the instructions, you get a cup of tea, you get some biscuits, you also get an amazing community to join. So there is a Facebook group which you can only join if you're a subscriber, and there is so much in there. So many people sharing what they've made, sharing what they fancy making, getting hints, tips. Myself, I'm in that group. Fleur is obviously in the group. Everybody's there to help each other out. It's so friendly, it's so nice, and I honestly cannot recommend it enough. It's amazing, the value that you get. So click the link below if you're interested, if you just want to take a look. Also, if you've got lots of stash and you just want to know how to make the things, but you've got a lot of your own components, you can actually just add the digital version where you will get all the benefits, everything else that I've mentioned. You just don't get the actual physical gemstones, but you may have them yourself too. So that's another nice way of signing up and doing that. And like I said, you are never tied into it at all. You also get extra discount on her website as well when you're a subscriber, so that's quite handy to know as well. So I'll leave you there. I'm going to continue making with this box, and I'll also make sure that everything is finished for my new box, for Fleur's new box, which is my little baby. I love this box. It's one of the things that I make a lot, the main design in this. So if you like my style, you will like the next box, which is April 2024. Sign up before the 10th of April. I will see you again really soon. Take care.